Hey there! Welcome back to Zenith Wellness. Today's video is all about helping our hardworking Nigerian nurses tackle their debt head-on. If you're a nurse juggling bills and loans, let's dive into some effective debt repayment strategies tailored specifically for our nursing community. Understanding your debt. First things first, understanding your debt is crucial. Grab a pen and paper. List out all your debt, from student loans to credit cards. Take note of the interest rates, due dates, and minimum payments. Knowing what you owe is the first step to taking control. Budgeting smartly. Nurses work tirelessly, and budgeting smartly can make a huge difference. Start by creating a monthly budget. Identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe dining out less or finding cheaper alternatives. Every saved naira can be put towards paying off your debts faster. Prioritize and organize. Prioritize your debts while maintaining minimum payments on all. Focus on clearing high-interest debts first, the snowball or avalanche method. Pick the one that suits you best. Organize your debts strategically to gain momentum in your repayment journey. Side hustles and extra income. Nurses are multitaskers by nature, so why not explore side hustles or extra shifts? Consider freelancing, tutoring, or even selling handmade crafts online. The additional income can accelerate your debt repayment significantly. Seek professional guidance. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial advisors or debt counselors can provide personalized strategies to manage your debts efficiently. There are also government programs or organizations offering support to healthcare professionals. Celebrate small wins and stay motivated. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Paying off a chunk of debt deserves a celebration. Stay motivated by setting achievable milestones and reminding yourself of the financial freedom waiting for you at the end of this journey. And that's a wrap on our debt repayment strategies. For Nigerian nurses, remember, managing debt is a marathon, not a sprint. With determination and these strategies, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow nurses. Subscribe for more content tailored to our amazing healthcare community. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, stay healthy, and prioritize your financial wellness.